Hi, my name's Laura Gardner. I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate in Earth and Planetary Sciences at Northwestern.
Hi, my name is Albert Kavanda. I'm a first-year PhD student working with Susan Vandali.
Hello, my name is Pete Paleo and I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate. My advisor is Yarrow Axford.
Hi, my name is Matt Selensky and I'm a fifth-year PhD candidate in Maggie Osborne's group.
My research involves producing paleoclimate records in Greenland over the last 15,000 years.
My particular area of research is the microbial ecology of caves. So I'm broadly trying to understand how microbial communities that live in these underground, energy-limited, dark habitats are making a living. Where are they getting their carbon from? Where are they getting their energy from? And, why would that matter? Those are three questions that I'm at least trying to answer in my research.
My research concentration is in subsurface imaging of the crust and upper mantle features, and I'm going to be using ambient noise tomography and receiver functions. This is a part of a big project called DRYER, which is dry rifting in the Albertine Rhino Graben, which aims to understand more about rifting in the western branch of the East African rift system.
I work in Steve Jacobson's mineral physics lab, and I study high-pressure mineral phases and explore different techniques for analyzing them. I often use Raman spectroscopy to characterize mineral phases, and I also am a regular user at the synchrotron at the Advanced Photon Source at Argonne National Labs. I guess I never imagined I'd have a career where I'd get to use X-rays and lasers as often as I do, but it's awesome and it's all in service of learning more about the history of our planet and about what's happening hundreds of kilometers below our feet.
All right, let's take a tour through tech. That's the Technological Institute off of Sheridan Road on the north side of campus. We are housed in the F wing on the second, third, and fourth floors. Let's start at the top. But let's take the fancy elevator. This elevator has a view of the Tech East patio. It's a great place to take a break, especially when it's warm out. There's even a garden with a secret picnic table. This is the fourth floor. On our left, you can look below to the third floor atrium. There, we like to house Food Inclusion, a weekly department social hour. On the right, you can look down to the second floor atrium, where students like to study. The graduate offices are on the 4th floor. We're so happy you're here! Down this way, there are faculty offices, and we've got a computer lab at the end of the hall. On each of our floors, there's a single-stall, gender-open restroom with a shower. That's in case you want to take a bike ride or a run to campus and need to shower afterwards. On the 3rd floor, we have more faculty offices, a couple of labs, a conference room, a kitchen with a couple microwaves, electric kettle, and coffee maker, our admin offices, and mailroom. There are also some great collections on display. On the 2nd floor, straight ahead, we've got our seminar room. On the left, like the other floors, there are faculty offices, and we can walk this way to the atrium. Isn't it so nice and calming?
This is a great community of graduate students, faculty, staff, and even undergrads.
When I first started, I was able to be a part of a NASA-led team called RAIL, where we were trying to understand the significance of microbial communities that live in lava tubes in Northern California to the search for life on planets like Mars, because Mars is thought to have lava tubes as well. I've also been able to work with tons of interesting people, locals in the Yucatan Peninsula, National Park Service staff at Mammoth Cave National Park, Kentucky. I've been able to develop a lot of interesting and fruitful relationships with people in the field, but also at conferences and just actually Twitter too. So you never know where your next collaboration is going to come from.
I recently took on the role of assistant chair at a residential college at Northwestern. A residential college is basically a dorm with a theme and associated faculty and graduate students. It's been really great to operate in this new role because I now get to interact with undergrads outside of the classroom and help support them in their leadership of the residential college. I get to meet with them weekly and help them provide programming to their peers, as well as career opportunities and information. And it's been really rewarding to learn more about Northwestern and all the people here in this new capacity.
At Northwestern, I'm an organizer for the Diversity and Inclusion pillar of GeoEquity, a departmental group that focuses on advancing equity, outreach, diversity, and inclusion. In this role, I plan our meetings and have discussions with members of the department about reviewing, creating, and revising departmental policies.
Evanston is great for restaurants, bars, shopping, farmers market, regular art fairs. It's a really unique community that I love.
My favorite part of living in the Chicago area is definitely Lake Michigan. I think this is one of the few places where I can afford to live as a grad student and be so close to such a large body of water. It looks different every single day, and I just need to walk a few minutes from my apartment to get to the lake. And in the summertime, I would go for a swim almost every other day, which was super nice. Chicago is also a huge food city, and it's nice that you don't have to have a car to get to many places, which is a huge plus. Definitely my favorite city.
Chicago offers endless options for entertainment. Just walking along the lakefront is so nice. You can take long bike rides along it too. Chicago has fantastic museums, all sorts of music, theater, whatever you're into, you can find it there, and it's really great to have it at our fingertips.
I really love living in Chicago. I think this city has a great food scene, it has a great music scene, it just has a lot of stuff to do, but it's also not overwhelming. So if you're a little bit of a shut-in like me, it's not that bad, and it's actually like a really nice place to live.
I couldn't be happier with my choice.